friends who just make music.
Started learning to play guitar when I was like 13, listening to Metallica, and it was always like, yeah.
Always tapped. When I bought a drum kit, fell in love with it.
Yeah, we don't really fit into the scene in Wales.
We like pissing people off where we live, because they're all like rugby boys in tight jeans. Rugby wankers.
Part of the reason for starting a band is because we didn't hear what we wanted to hear in other bands.
Shit music, with these shit looks, shit cars. Actually, take that back. Some of these geeks have got really nice cars.
Shall we do it, Ian?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you thought that I was leaving here, could I find a way inside?
We combine so many different genres within the one sound.
But I feel justified.
Basically, it's like aggressive, intelligent, melodic, energetic.
There's metal in there,
Jazz, driving rock.
there's punk in there.
Yeah, it's eclectic.
When we started writing the song, Jenny said Lee usually got an idea, and then we just all jump on top of it. Fake Sound is basically the first song we wrote where we realised we had our sound.
The Fake Sound of Progress was kind of the song that we knew was going to be sort of anthemic kind of song.
Somebody told me that I'd always have to fail. If that was true, it would have fallen apart by now. The more you think, the less you act that way. So can you hear this? The fake sound of progress. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
I mean, Shinobi versus Dragon Ninja, the song title is just a bit of a tribute to our youth. You know, when we were younger, we used to just hang out and like Shinobi and Dragon Ninja were just like two of our favourite arcade machines.
The song is kind of a metaphor for past, do you know what I mean, and nostalgia. We're like friends before a band.
We're not just about the music, it's about the whole show, the whole thing. So it's like when we all get on stage together, it's just, just explodes.
We see our gigs as being a big party, and we just so happen to be playing.
Got it all too high, got it figured out.
I'd rather come on and smack people with a big hammer than come on and slap them around the face with a
Did
fist.
you think that you were once here with me? Maybe I was wrong, you were moving on.